Listen to the story. Repeat the Ukrainian words you hear. Let's see how many you remember by the end.
Червона шапочка. Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time there was дівчинка. A girl. Дівчинка. A girl lived near ліс. A forest. This дівчинка had бабуся. A grandmother. Her бабуся, a grandmother, lived far away. One day дівчинка took кошик, a basket. Кошик, a basket with food inside. She walked into ліс, the forest. Ліс was quiet, so дівчинка walked through ліс with her кошик, a basket, to visit her бабуся, a grandmother. In the ліс she met вовк, a wolf. Вовк, a wolf, spoke to дівчинка. Вовк asked where she was going. Дівчинка said that she was going to visit her бабуся, who lived across ліс. She had кошик with food for her. Вовк smiled. Дівчинка continued walking through ліс. She carried кошик. She thought about her бабуся, but вовк ran faster through ліс. Soon дівчинка arrived at будинок бабусі, grandmother's house. Будинок бабусі, grandmother's house, was small and quiet. Дівчинка stood near будинок бабусі with кошик in her hands.
At будинок бабусі двері, a door, were closed. Двері, a door, were old. Дівчинка постукала, knocked, on двері. She постукала, knocked one time. Then she постукала 2 times. Inside будинок бабусі someone spoke. It was бабуся, grandmother. Her голос, a voice, sounded strange. Голос, a voice, was quiet. Бабуся said, "Come in, my dear." Дівчинка opened двері. She walked inside будинок бабусі with кошик. Inside it was dark. Дівчинка looked at бабуся. Бабуся was in ліжко, a bed. Ліжко, a bed, was near the window. Дівчинка felt страх, fear. Страх, fear, was small but real. Бабуся, she said, you have big очі, eyes. Her очі, eyes, looked strange. My очі are big so that I can see you well, answered бабуся. Her голос, voice, sounded strange again. Страх, fear, did not really leave. So дівчинка asked again, and you have big вуха, ears. Her вуха, ears, were very big. My dear, answered бабуся, with the same strange голос. My вуха are big because I want to hear you well, but страх, fear, did not really leave. Big очі, big вуха, and голос that sounded strange. So дівчинка said again, and you have big зуби, teeth. Her зуби, teeth, were big and scary. Suddenly,
Вовк jumped from ліжко, a bed. Вовк laughed. My зуби are big, so that I can eat you. That was not бабуся. That was вовк all alone. Дівчинка screamed. She dropped кошик. But just then, мисливець, a hunter, passed by будинок бабусі. Мисливець, a hunter, heard the noise. He heard a strange голос from будинок бабусі. Мисливець постукав, knocked, on двері, door. Мисливець постукав on двері. Then he постукав again. And then he entered будинок бабусі. Вовк ran away into ліс. Бабуся was safe. Дівчинка hugged бабуся. Бабуся did not have those big очі, nor those big вуха, nor the scary зуби. And her голос was kind. They sat together with кошик in a small, quiet будинок бабусі. Кінець історії. End of the story.